Welcome to the frosty wilderness of the Arctic, a place where the cold bites, the wind howls, and the snow blankets everything in sight. Today we're diving deep into the world of one of nature's most magnificent creatures, the polar bear. These majestic animals are not just symbols of the Arctic, they are masters of survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Brace yourselves, animal lovers, for 5 mind-blowing facts about these majestic white giants. Each fact will reveal a new layer of their incredible adaptations and behaviors. First up, did you know polar bears are superb swimmers? Their swimming prowess is nothing short of extraordinary. They can swim for days at a time, covering vast distances of up to 60 miles in a single stretch. This ability is crucial for their survival, especially as sea ice continues to melt due to climate change. Their large, powerful forepaws are perfect paddles, while their thick layer of fat keeps them buoyant and insulated against icy waters. This combination allows them to navigate the frigid Arctic waters with ease. Imagine that, days on end, navigating the frigid Arctic, all in search of their next meal. It's a testament to their endurance and determination. Next, let's talk about their incredible sense of smell. This sense is so finely tuned that it plays a critical role in their hunting strategy. Polar bears can sniff out a seal's breathing hole from more than half a mile away. This remarkable ability allows them to locate prey even when it's hidden beneath thick layers of ice and snow. That's like you smelling a pizza being baked in a kitchen several blocks down the street. Imagine having such a powerful nose. Their keen noses are their greatest allies in the endless white expanse where food is often scarce. This adaptation is vital for their survival in the harsh Arctic environment. Now here's something truly astonishing. Polar bears are not actually white. This fact might surprise many, but it's a fascinating aspect of their biology. Their fur is transparent and hollow, reflecting light to give them their snowy appearance. This unique fur structure helps them blend into their icy surroundings, providing excellent camouflage. Beneath that fur, their skin is black, which helps them absorb as much heat as possible from the weak Arctic sun. This adaptation is crucial for maintaining their body temperature in the freezing cold. It's nature's own clever design to keep these predators warm in one of the coldest places on Earth. Every aspect of their physiology is tailored to their environment. Speaking of warmth, a mother polar bear's den is a marvel of natural engineering. These dens are essential for the survival of her cubs. She digs a snow den to give birth and nurse her cubs, maintaining a temperature much warmer than the outside environment. This safe haven is where the cubs will spend the first few months of their lives. Inside, the den can be over 40 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the outside air. This warmth is crucial for the cubs' development and survival. It's a cozy haven where new life begins in the heart of frozen wilderness. The den provides shelter and protection from the harsh Arctic elements. Lastly, let's talk about their sheer size and power. These bears are true giants of the animal kingdom. Adult male polar bears can weigh as much as 1,500 pounds and stand over 10 feet tall on their hind legs. Their size and strength make them formidable predators. That's taller than most basketball hoops. Their immense size is both awe-inspiring and intimidating. Despite their massive size, they move with a grace and stealth that make them formidable hunters and symbols of the wild's untamed beauty. Their movements are a blend of power and elegance. So there you have it, 5 incredible facts about polar bears that showcase their resilience and mastery of one of the planet's harshest environments. These facts highlight their unique adaptations and survival strategies. These awe-inspiring creatures are more than just icons of the Arctic. They are a testament to the wonders of nature. Their existence reminds us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of polar bears, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories. Your support helps us continue to bring you fascinating insights into the animal kingdom. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the natural world around you. End.